What is dropshipping and how does it work on eBay? So this video will look at exactly how it works so you understand what it is that you will be doing. So for example, say someone wants to come onto eBay and they're looking to purchase a bike. They find the bike that they like and then they pay £140 for that bike. They'll enter their card details or their payment details, the address details of where they want the item to be shipped to. Now say for example you as the seller was the person who listed that bike at £140, you have just made a sale of £140. So how are you going to sell a bike that you actually don't physically have? Well, it's simple. This is how the dropshipping works. Once you've received the payment, you're then going to get in touch with your supplier, who you listed the item off. Your supplier so selling the bike for £100. So all you're going to do is make that purchase on your supplier for £100. You're going to enter the customer's details, the customer's name, the customer's address, and you're going to get the item shipped directly to the customer. In essence, you've sourced this item for £100, you've sold it for £140, and you've just made a £40 profit. And that's all dropshipping is. It's as simple as that. So why would someone buy directly from eBay? There are plenty of people who don't have time to shop around. They just end up going onto eBay, they find what they're looking for, and if the price is right, they will go ahead and buy it. All you're doing is doing the research, finding the various suppliers, finding what sells and listing them onto your eBay store. You don't actually need to own the inventory. You don't need any upfront cost because you're going to be using the customer's money to make these purchases. And throughout this course, I'll be teaching you guys how to research on what items are selling. I'll be teaching you guys how to find the right suppliers, listing items that are already selling, so the market is already there for you guys. I'll be teaching you guys about profit margins and how to scale this business quite substantially so you earn quite a big passive income. And if you scale it right, you can probably make more than you're making in your current job at the moment. So let's go over to the next video.